Okay, we're back with the Cavalier, and if you saw part one, you would have seen that we got this running. She's alive! But there was a few issues, and those eagle-eyed viewers out there would have seen that when I first put the ignition on, if you were paying attention, you'd have seen the oil light and the battery light both came on, but then the battery light turned itself off after a few seconds. All right. So let's see if we can tackle that problem first. It's charging 14 volts. Also, my voltmeter's working. The exciter wire's ground out when the ignition's on, so you have a live to one side of the bulb and an earth to the other side. When the alternator starts, it makes that side alive and takes the bulb out. So if we ground out the exciter wire, that should, if it was working correctly, bring the bulb on. Which it does not. Handbrake light works though. Which means we're going to have to remove the dash. Okay, if I remember rightly, I think there's one screw here, one screw here, one here, and one here, which means this panel has to come off. And once you undo them 4 screws, I can take this top piece here off. Just a little 501 bulb. Quick simple test. We'll connect one side of the bulb to the wire, connect the other side of the bulb to the battery. Let's do it that way so you can see it. Connect that onto that. You can see the bulb doesn't light up, that bulb is dead. Check that with the new one. We connect that onto that. And then we connect that onto that. And you can see that bulb lights up. So let's whack that in and see if it works. Okay, I've just put the bulb in and it works. Look at that. Woohoo! While I got the dash out, it would be silly not to check all the other bulbs. So we saw the handbrake one earlier, but cool. Okay, dash is all back together. Ignition on. Lights off. Charge rate's good. Job done. Okay, that's one job done, but there's more to do. The radiator leaks. I've got to get that repaired. I need to make a converter so that the analog rev counter can communicate with the digital input from the ECU, and I want to put the original stereo back in and have that running on Bluetooth. But that is for another day. Peace out.